Good afternoon, students. Am I audible? Good afternoon, students. Welcome to Oliveboard. This is your IT mentor, Shabas. Am I audible, guys? Just let me know in the chat box so that we can start our session here. Am I audible, guys? I hope that I am audible and visible. Okay, sir, audible. Okay, thank you. Now, once again, students, welcome to Oliveboard. So this is your introduction session for your okay IBPS RRB PO and clerk. Okay, PO and clerk, like for first of all, congratulations students, those who have cleared the prelims for PO and clerk IBPS RRB. Okay, IBPS RRB. So in this session we will so next is your mains. So in mains you will have a computer awareness. So in this session we will discuss about how you can crack a, you can say, IBPS PO clerk and mains here in your computer awareness. We will discuss about the syllabus, what will be your syllabus in our upcoming session, and if you are getting any doubt, how you can connect with me, and what type of questions you will get, like in this your like in your computer awareness section. So that we will discuss. And if you are getting any doubt here throughout the session, students, just let me know in the chat box here. Okay, just let me know in the chat box if your guys are getting any doubt here. So now first we will discuss here about the, like, what are the syllabus of your computer awareness here. So first you can see we have a history of computer and invention. So you can see first we will start before computer, what are the other you can say devices are made before creating the first generation of the computer. In this we will discuss about the generation of computer, history of a computer. Okay, and then we will go through the types of computers here, like what are the types of computers based on data processing, based on size and purpose. So all those things we will discuss in this chapter. Then we have computer ports, what are the different ports here. Okay, program control, address port, register ports, or all those things we will discuss here. Then we will have computer hardware. So students, computer hardware and the software, like in computer hardware we will discuss about what are your input devices, what are your output devices for computers. Okay, then we will have storage devices. So all those things we will discuss here. Then we will go through the operating system, what is your different types of operating system here. Okay, what are the main functionalities of operating system. So basics of operating system we will discuss in this chapter. So students, you have to remember all these are your main topic. In that also we will have subtopic here. So this all, you can see here the syllabus are important for your, as you can see, of to cracking for a mains exam here. So everything that topics that we have included here, all are important topics here. Okay, you can see. Then we have here computer networks. So in computer networks you will have different types of network device. Okay, like what are the different types of network devices that we have. Then network protocols will be there. Okay, then we will have students OSI models, like OSI, different OSI TCP IP models. So these all things we will discuss in our computer networks here. Okay, and then we will have number system, like in number system how we will can perform a base conversion, like converting binary into a decimal, binary into the hexadecimal. So all those things we will discuss here, because we have different types of number system. We have octet, we have hexadecimal, we have binary, we have decimal here. So these are the four main number systems, so that we will discuss here. Then we have logic gates, like what is your AND gate, what is your OR gate, what is your you can say XOR gate. So all those and the remaining gates that we have, all different gates and its truth table and the functionalities of these logic gates we will discuss in this chapter here. Then we will have a discussion related to the, we will discuss about the internet and web. What is your different types of cookies that we have. Different type of cookies in that sense means like what is your third party cookie, what is your session cookie, what is your http only cookie. So all those persistent cookie, so different types of cookies and how internet works and web, so that we will discuss in this chapter here. And then we will go through the important, this is most important, MS Office. In MS Office we will have MS Word. What are the shortcut keys that we are using in MS Word? You can say MS Excel. What are the formulas in MS Excel? What are the like how we can create a slides? What are the shortcut keys that we can use in a PowerPoint? So this is very important section. Okay, so you can see from history of a computer, and we are going from the types of computer and ports and then computer hardware and software. Like different types of softwares are there. Utility software, then we have system software, application software, then operating system, computer networks, number system and logic gates. So you can see these will be your syllabus that will help you to crack the, okay, PO and clerk mains here. Okay, IBPS RRB PO and clerk mains here. Then we have keyboard shortcuts and their uses. So we will have all the keyboard shortcuts, okay, like control plus V, C and all those things here. Control plus K and all. Now like this we will have the introduction, basic introductions of database management system, like what are different schema we have, okay, here. Then search engine, how this search engine works here. So this is also a very important topic in your computer awareness here. Then we will go through the computer abbreviation. Computer abbreviation means what are the abbreviation we have, like CPU, what is the full form of CPU, what is your RAM here, what is your ROM, what is your SSD, what is your SDD, okay, what is your VLSI. So all these things, all the abbreviations that we are using in a computer, we will discuss in this chapter here. Then we have introduction to the Microsoft Window. What is Microsoft Window? What are the different shortcut keys? What are the functionalities of Microsoft Windows that we will discuss here? Then what is your cyber security? You are going to get a question from cyber security in computer awareness. Okay, so what, like cyber crime? What are the cyber crimes that we have, and what is the cyber security? Like different types of cyber attacks, ransomware, virus, Trojan, man in the middle, all these are phishing, all these are different cyber attacks, okay, that we will have, that we will discuss in this chapter. And what are the cyber crimes, means what are the, how we can what are the different laws that are made for those kind of cyber attacks. Then at the last we will go with the emerging technologies like in artificial intelligence or internet of things. So students, you can see from history of computers and invention, going through the types of computer, operating system, number system, till where emerging technologies. So we are going to cover everything in this course here. For mains, as you can see, all the important topics for your computer knowledge we are going to cover, from history of the computers to emerging technologies, latest technologies that we have here. Okay, so this is your, what I have briefed about the syllabus here. Is there any doubt in this? Is there any doubt in this, students, about the syllabus that we are going to cover in this course? Is there any doubt about the syllabus? Anyone? Just let me know in the chat box. Okay, no sir. Okay, Sandy, BS study. Sai Guru, no sir. So yes, good. If you are getting any doubt, just let me know in the chat box. So you can see, students, we are what means from the invention, and what are the first mathematical instrument is made before the computer. So history will be there, generation of the computers will be there, and you can say like computer, what is your computer, everything we are going, computer fundamentals, types of computer and its port, computer hardware, input devices, output devices, storage devices, what are the different types of memories, software, what are the different types of softwares we have in computer, system software, application software, utility software, then operating system, everything number system, logic gates, Microsoft Excel, Microsoft Word, everything, shortcut keys, keyboard keys, everything we are going to cover in this one. Okay, so that is your student syllabus here. Now throughout this course, if you guys are getting any doubt, students, okay, so what you can do, this is a new feature of Oliveboard. You can see whatever community group they are providing you, means WhatsApp type group they will provide, where you can engage with the different students, means like you can discuss your doubts with the different students, as well as you can tag your faculty directly here. You can see, if you want to, if you are getting any doubt, what you can do, you can just use the @ and name of that faculty, like my name, you can use it, okay, Ghan Shahbaz here, and you can directly tag me whatever doubts you are getting along with that doubt. So it, the notification directly will come to me, and I will try to resolve your doubt as soon as possible here. Okay, see, ping and solve, got doubts, tag the faculty, get answer and get answers and faster here. So this is your, in your community batch it will be, you can go with the your app also, and you can go with the in your website also. So like this you can ask any doubt whenever you are getting throughout this course. If you are going through the recording, means live session, you will have the live session. Suppose you are not attending the live session, so you will go through the recorded session. If you are going through the recording, and if you are getting any doubt, you can directly tag me in a community group here. Okay, so this is a, yes, we will provide, I will provide a notes also. Yes, it will be enough here. Okay, this course will be enough here. We are going to cover each section here, and I will provide notes also, and we will have a practice session. So students, we will have a practice session here. See, at the end of this course, in your computer awareness, you can say knowledge, here we will have 5 practice session. In this 5 practice session, what we will, 5 practice session will be there. In that 5 practice session, we will discuss about the what kind of questions you are getting, what kind of MCQs you are getting. That means first we will cover, students, first we will cover these all topics, then after this you will have 5 practice session. So okay, so practice session will be there. You can check the syllabus also, you can check the syllabus, it's already there on your uh, like course page here. Practice session 1 will be there, practice session 2 will be there. We will make, before your exam we will have a practice session, means each practice session will have 25 questions, and we will do a practice onto this, and this also 25 questions. So you will get different questions from different topics. I will cover whole syllabus, MCQs, what kind of questions you are getting in this 5 practice session, 4 and 5, total 5 will be there, and each practice session will have and 25 MCQs here. Okay, so you can see these MCQs we will have from like different topics here. So this is we are going to give, and notes, obviously notes I am going to give really for every you can see, for every chapter there will be a notes here. So along with the video, along with the each, you can say topic here, you will have notes. So this is what is your, actually what is your, what will be your upcoming journey here. Okay, so what kind of questions you are going to get here, whatever doubts you are getting, you can ask in the chat box, students. So let's discuss about the questions, like in computer knowledge or computer awareness section, what you are going to get, what type of questions you are going to get. So you can see here, students, like these kind of questions you will get. So we will discuss here what kind of questions you are going to get. At the last I will give you like tips how you can prepare for this you can say for this mains here. Okay, so you can see what kind of questions you will get. A device used to connect two networks using different protocols. So here this question is from where, this question is from your computer networks, students, this question is from your computer networks here. So what will be the correct answer, you can go, you can type into your chat box here. Okay, you have a chat box. So here we are, what is the subtopic in computer networks? Subtopic in computer network is your network device. So here we have a different types of network devices, students. Which will be the correct answer from this? Here we are talking about a device that is used to connect two networks using different protocols. So which will be the correct answer here? We have started discussing about what kind of questions you will get from the different topics, so that you will get an idea how to prepare this computer awareness section here. So this is a question here. This question I already told you from which topic. We will see a different types of questions here. Okay. So which will be the correct answer, students? A device used to connect two different networks using a different protocols. You can use your chat box here. Okay. Sandy Masila, gateway. What about other students? Uh, Students, we will discuss about this the other options also, and which one will be the correct answer. That also we'll discuss here. No idea? Okay, yes. Correct answer for this question you can see here. It's a gateway. Like it's a, yeah, it's a correct answer is a gateway. So if we have a two different, okay, if we have a two different you can say networks. For example, this network is using TCP/IP. Okay, and this network is using different protocols and different. So here in between we will use a which network device we will use a gateway that will convert the protocols. Means this protocol whatever we are using in a network 1 will be get converted into the this. So to connect these two networks we will use a gateway here. Different networks with different protocols, so we will use a gateway. And if we will talk about other options, students, router is used to send a data from one network to another network, but it should be using a what, and one network to another network, but they will be using the same protocol. Means if one is using TCP, another should use TCP protocol. Okay, same protocols. Router. Bridge is between the two segments. Two segment means if you have a one local area network here, in that local area network you will create a two segments. So in between these this is segment 1, this is segment 2. In between that we will use a bridge is what? Bridge is between these two segments here, means LAN we are using. And if we will talk about switch here, switch is used to within a network. Within a network, if I want to send the data, and all the different devices will be connected with this switch here. Different devices, like our home, you can consider in our home, all the different devices are connected with this switch here. Okay, so they can share the data internally within a network. So these are the difference between all the devices here. I hope that clears your doubt related to this question. Router is used to send the data from one network to another network with the same protocol. Bridge we will use to manage the traffic, forward the data between the in same LAN, between the LANs here. Means like in same, there in LAN there will be a two you can say segments. So in between that it will work as a bridge device. Then a switch is used to connect all the devices in a local area networks, so that they can share a data, so that they can share a data with each other without any interference. So this is a switch here. Is it clear, guys? Okay, सेम सेम के लिए राउटर और ब्रिज क्लियर. सी सेम के लिए, सो ब्रिज वर्क्स बिटवीन द सेगमेंट्स. Segment means in one building only. See, the local area network we will create two segments, means we will create two part of the LAN network here. So for bridge it will be connect these two segments, not from the different network. Router is used to form one network to another network with the same protocol, but bridge work with the LAN to LAN, means one local area networks to in the same. Okay, two segments view means we will divide the local area network into two segments here. Here switch will work with the within the network, within the local area network, and inside it we will connect all the laptop, mobile, desktop, printer, everything with the single switch here. So that is the use of switch. I hope that everything is clear here. Students, if it is clear, just let me know in the chat box that if it is clear. Okay, clear, sir. Okay, clear. What about MDB? Is it clear for you related to the bridge and router? So now let's move to the next question. So which memory is faster than RAM but slower than register? Here which memory is faster than RAM? So here this question you are getting from the computer memory here. Computer memory. Okay, computer memory. Students, and here are different types of memories that we have. So whatever answer it is there, you can use your chat box here. So what will be the correct answer? Which memory is faster than RAM? Means that memory is faster than RAM, faster than RAM, and slower than register. So slower than registers. So which memory is this? Faster than RAM, slower than registers. Okay, Safiq, B, yes, clear, sir. Okay, yes. Can anyone tell me what is the full form of RAM here? What is the full form of RAM? What is the full form of DVD, SSD? What about other students? Okay, cache. Yes, students, it's a correct answer. It's a cache only. Cache is the faster than RAM and slower than registers. If you know about the memory hierarchy design, so how this memory hierarchy is there? Okay, this is your memory hierarchy design here. If you know about this, it will be very easy. Like for this question, see, first on the top, the registers will be there. On the top means faster. What is the meaning of that? Who is on the top? It will be a faster access time compared to all this. Then second, it will have cache. Third, it will have main memory, means RAM. Then fourth, here it will have magnetic disk. Okay, then here optical disk. Then it will, at the last it will have magnetic tape. Okay, means magnetic tape is the slowest. Okay, slowest, you can say, memory here. So this is magnetic tape here. So this is the memory hierarchy here. If you will go from bottom to top, students, if you will go from bottom to top, the size will, the access time will increase. Okay, means access time will be here, this one will be the less access time here, this one will having the less access time. If you will go from top to bottom, per cost, means this registers is costlier than compared to the this devices here. So which one is the faster here? If you see, registers is more faster than cache. Cache is faster than RAM, means, or man means main memory, means RAM here, and it is faster than magnetic disk and optical disk and magnetic tape here. And if we will talk about the cost, if we will talk about the cost here, students, which one is costly here? Costly, obviously it will be register, means register cache. And if we will talk about the faster, which one is the faster here? Faster is your registers. Okay, costly will be your registers. And if we will talk about the storage capacity we will have more in magnetic tape compared to the optical disc and magnetic disc here. And you can see you will have main memory, it will have less storage. Cache is also having less storage, registers will having the less storage here. So I already explained you in all between this one here. Okay, so the correct answer is this, cache here. I hope that you know about the random access memory, digital versatile disk, correct. What about this one, SSD? What about SSD, students? I hope that it's clear. So correct answer is B here. Okay, so now let's move to the next question. The first generation of computer used which input device? Students, here we are talking about the first generation of a computer. So this question is from your computer fundamentals, generation of a computers here. Okay, means generation of computers. I am telling you about the topic name as also, so that you can get like what kind of questions you are getting here. Generation of computers. So here we are talking about the which will be the correct answer here. You can use your chat box. Yes, correct, students. So it is a solid state drive. Okay, like Safik, MDB. Which will be the correct answer here, students? Okay, punch card. Then VDU, Sandy, punch card. What about other students? Here we are talking about the first generation of computers. Okay, yes, the correct answer is correct. Punch cards. So here, punch with the using of punch card, we will what? We will detect if there is a hole, if there is a no, if there is a hole, it will consider as a one. If there is a no hole, it will consider as a zero. So what the machine language, what it will understand? It will understand the data in the form of zeros and ones here. It will process the data in the form of zeros and ones. So as an input device, we used punch card that time. With the first generation computer, we have used a punch card, zeros and ones here. So this is how it works here. This is how it works here, punch cards. Okay. And if we will talk about the mouse here, mouse we have started with what? Mouse we have started with the fourth generation computer. With the fourth generation computer, we have started using the mouse here, and both this keyboard and your video, okay, sorry, visual display, okay, visual display unit, that is your actually a monitor we have started with the third generation. So this is a third generation devices. Keyboard and monitor we have started with the third generation here. But for the input, if we will talk about, it is your B is the correct answer as a punch card. And video is a monitor is your output. Okay, Safiq, video means like monitor is your output device actually. Punch card, mouse and keyboard, they are all input devices, but they have in, this is the fourth generation, this is your first generation input device, and keyboard is the third generation input device. And if we will talk about the output device, this video is a visual display unit is your monitor. That means monitor here, it's a your third generation device. I hope that clears here, Safiq. Rest of them are all correct here. Now let's go with the next question. So what will be the correct answer for this? Here we are base conversion. Base conversion is in the sense means what is two base we are using here. So base conversion we are doing here. Yeah, and this question is from your number system. How convert this into a this binary into a decimal? This question is from your number system, and here we are talking about the base conversion between the binary system 10110. This is your binary, we want to convert in your decimal here. So which one will be the correct answer here? Okay, which will be the correct answer? Like that, see guys, like that you can get a base conversion between the decimal and between the different numbers here. Between the different base numbers that we have, number system, you can get a conversion. Here I'm just talking about the binary equal to the into a decimal here. So which will be the correct answer? You can take your time. So you can see, students, we have discussed different question from different question from different topic, okay, till now. So like that you will get a different you can say question from different topic in your practice session also. In our practice session, that we have a practice session here, we will have a practice session after completion of this course. At the end of this course, you can go and check your schedule also. At the end you will see practice session 1, 2 and 3. In that also, in each practice session we will try to cover 25 questions there, 25 MCQs. So those kind of MCQs. So but here what we are doing, before, you can say, before our course, and after this we will have 20-25 questions there. So what will be the correct answer? No idea, students? We got from MDB 22. What about other students? Its correct answer is 22. Yes, that is your C. How we have converted this? If you want to convert from binary to decimal, what we need to do? We have to divide the, oh sorry, we have to multiply with the two equivalent here. That means this is your 1 0, sorry, 1 0 1 1 and 0. So this is your binary number. What I have to do? I have to divide with this, sorry, multiply with this 2 into 2 raised to 0 into 1. Oh sorry, it's a 0, sorry, 0 here. Now plus we have to use, we have to do a addition here again. This one, 2 into 1. So we have to increase this equivalent from 0 to 1 here into 1 again, plus then we have 1 again here, 2 into 2 into 1. Then again we have this, again we will perform plus here. So here 0 means like 2 raised to 3 here into 0. Again plus we have, for this one, students, you can see 2 into what, 4 into 1. So here we have plus. You have to remember, after every equations we have plus. So if you will do this, what it will become, 1 into 0. So it will become 0. The total for this, if 1 into 0 will become 0 here. So 0. Then this one if you will do, so it will be your what, students, 2 into 1, and it will be your 2 here. Okay, so for the final this one, so here if you will do 2 into 1, it will become 2 here. Again if you will do here, what, this is 2 into, students, we have 2 raised to 2, so it will become a 4 here. 4 into 1, it will become 4. So 2 plus 4, it will be 6 here. Now this 8, okay, what is 8 here, square, okay, cube here you can see here. So if you will go with that, it will be 0. So it will, the answer will be 0 here. For this if you will see, we have 16. So 2 into 2 into 2 into 2, okay, 2 to ja 4, 4 to ja 8, 8 to ja 16. So if you will do this one, 16, so 16 plus 4, it will be 20, 20 plus 2, it will be 22. So the correct answer is your 22 here. Okay, I hope that clears here. I've explained here, you can see. So what we have to do, Sandy, here we have to take this is the binary. Always we have to start from right to left. Always we have to start from right. This is your right and this is your left. And you have to multiply with same number. If you have 0, we have to multiply that 0 with the 2 raised to 0. We have to start equivalent 0. Then we have to increase. After one digit, we have to, if you are going from the second here, from the right to left, we have to increase by 1. If you are going with the third, increase by 1, like square, cube, like that. We have to multiply, and result of those, Result of this, students, what we have to do, result of this we have to add. After adding, you can see, if you will do 8 into 0, it will be 0 obviously. If you will do 1 into 0, it will be 0 here. And 4 into 1, 4. 2 into 1, 4. 16 into 1, it will be 16. So this is your 22. I hope that clears here. Is it clear for all the students? If it is clear, you can type in the chat box that it is clear, sir. So like these kind of base conversions you will get, students. Base conversion you will get here. Is it clear for all the students? Now let's move to the next question. Which gate produce the opposite output of AND gate? So here, students, which it is, this question is from your logic gates here. Which gate produce opposite output of your AND gate, logic gates? And you have a chat box. What will be your answer here, students? This is all different gates that you have here. So in logic gates, you should know about the properties of those gates and truth table. Truth table is very important for every logic gates here. So what will be the correct answer? Clear, sir. Okay, good. What will be the correct? Which gate produce the opposite output of a AND gate? If there is any doubt related to any questions that we discussed, different questions, okay, so let me know in the chat box here. I will explain it again. Okay, we are getting some answers like we have OR gate, we have OR gate. What about other students? Sorry. What about other students? What will be the correct answer for this? We are talking about the logic gates. So you will get a question from logic gates as well as the number system. Okay. Cyber security, different. So correct answer for this opposite, if you will talk about the AND gate, it will be your C, NAND gate, because NAND gate is the combination of NOT gate. What is the use of NOT gate here? It will do inverter. What is the meaning of inverter here? Inverter means whatever value we have, if we have 0, it will make it as a 1, means it will convert that inverse in 1, and if it is a value is input is 1, it will make it as a 0. So it is a combination of NOT gate and AND gate. So whatever AND gate output is there, it will make it opposite. So that is the NAND is the combination of or NOT gate and AND gate. Let me create a truth table. Let me create a truth table here. So students, this is your, okay, this is your AND gate, this is your A and B. Okay, A and B, and here you will get the output. X is equals to, X is the output here, A into B. Okay, so this is the multiplication actually it will use. So what will be the output? A and B will be the input here, and X will be the, means like output here. Now this is your AND gate, this is your AND gate, and this will be your NAND gate. Okay, so now students, what is the possibility of two inputs here? So if it will have 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 1, so this is the possibility of 2 0. This is we can do. Now how the AND gate works here? AND gate work on multiplication. That means if you will multiply 0 into 0, the output will be 0. 0 into 1, output will be 0. 1 into 0, output will be 0, because if you will multiply anything with the 0, it will be 0 here. 1 into 1, output will be 1 here. Now If I am using a not gate, what is the use of not gate? I already told you. Use of not gate is it will take always single output. You can see it will take single. This is your not gate here. So what it will do, if I'm giving an input as a 0, it will make it is a 1. If I'm giving an input as a 1, it will make it is a 0. So same way, if I with the NAND gate, if in the NAND gate I'm using a NOT gate, so you can see here 0 it will make it as a 1, 0 it will make it as a 1, 0 1 1 0. So this is the NAND gate output. So if you know about the AND gate truth table, you can easily create the NAND gate truth table here. So because this C is the correct answer here. I hope that clears here. And if we will talk about OR gate, OR gate is a basic gate. It's the same like a AND gate here. It will be not opposite. Here in OR gate we are using a addition. Addition in the sense means any one will should be true here. So if 0 will be 0 only, but 0 plus 1 it will be 1 here. I'm talking about AND gate, sorry, OR gate. 1 plus 0 will be 1 here, 1 plus 1 it will be 2 here, 1 here we will get here. So like this you can see students, we will get the AND. I hope that is clear here. Is it clear how this is the opposite of a AND gate? Because we are using a NOT gate here. This is the NAND gate is the combination of NOT and AND gate, and I have explained you what is your NOT gate, what is your AND gate, and if you will combine these two, we will get a NAND gate. I have explained you in detail. And what is this NOR gate? It is a combination of NOT gate plus OR gate, and it is a your NOR gate. XOR gate means students exclusive OR. That means here if we have different inputs, it will give the 1 as an output. Different inputs, man, that means 1 output. If I will show you here about the XOR, how XOR works here. XOR means here for same input, if it is there, it will give 0. If we have different inputs 0 and 1, 1 and 0 are both are different inputs here. A is 0, B is 1. A is 1, B is 0. So that means it will give 1 and 1 for this. If we have same inputs like 1 1, it will give 0. This is a XOR. Okay, is it clear students? I hope that clears your doubt related to this. Is there any doubt of Bala Manikandan and Sandy? Because you guys have given this answer, so correct answer is a NAND gate, and I have explained you in detail. So why I have discussed in detail, because there should be no doubt related to these kind of topics. So what kind of questions you are going to get here? Okay, so students, what will be the correct answer for this question? One second. So this is sorry students. So what will be the correct answer for this one? VLSI technologies. Sorry for the inconvenience, guys. So what will be the correct answer for VLSI? VLSI technologies is associated with which generation here? So whatever your answer is there, you can use the chat box. And this question is from your generation of the computers. Okay, generation of computers. Okay. So which will be the correct answer? Can anyone tell me what is the full form of VLSI here? What is the full form of VLSI? VLSI technology is associated with which generation here? What is the full form of VLSI here? Yes, the correct answer is fourth generation. Correct answer is fourth generation. Can anyone describe, students, like uh, what technologies we will use in second generation, what technologies we will use in third generation, and what technologies we will use in fifth generation? C is the correct answer. VLSI technologies we will use in fourth generation. What technologies we will use in second, third, and fifth here? Yes, very large scale integrated technology is correct. Yes, correct, guys. Okay. Can anyone tell me what we will use in second generation, third generation, and fifth generation? Okay, ICs. What about then third keyboard display unit? It's like we are talking about the technologies like with the using of core technologies we have made that uh, Bala here. Okay, Bala, we are talking about the like different just ICs are there. Okay, then VLSIs are there. It's not about the device. We are not talking about the device here, Bala. Technologies we are talking about, not the devices. So for see transistors we will use here. Transistors we will use in second generation. Here we will use integrated circuits, ICs. Fourth generation we will use VLSI. Fifth generation we will use ultra large scale integrated circuits, ULSI. Okay, so the correct answer is your C here. I hope, students, it's correct. Okay, so those students who gave this is a C is the correct answer here. So I hope that whatever different topics we discussed, based on different topics we discussed, different MCQs in this session, and you will have more MCQs. You can see what is your this question is from your MS Word. Okay, like which view shows how document will look when printed? So this is question is there. Then we have which attack involves flood, like cyber security question you have. Okay, cyber security questions you have here. Fake with the fake traffic. Then we have shortcut keys. Which key combinations opens the taskbar here? So you have keyboard shortcuts keys also. Okay, keyboard shortcuts. So students, like these questions, this type of questions you will get. Then you have again operating system questions. Operating system questions like the process of moving a data from main memory to a disk when RAM is full is called. So these kind of questions you can consider. Then again we have logic gates question. These kind of questions you can consider in your mains exam here. Okay, PO and clerk mains exam, IBPS RRB PO. So I hope that whatever we discuss in this session, you guys don't have any doubt, students. So how to prepare for this mains exam here is like practice makes you perfect. First you have need to do a practice here. How you can start your practice here? Okay, how you can start your practice for this mains here? So first you have to go through the sessions. If you have not clear about any like topics, if you are not clear about the topics here, you can go through the sessions here. In session we are discussing about every topics that we discussed in the beginning of this. So sessions with the expert instructors. Okay, then here we will share a important questions in our practice sessions. In practice sessions, 5 practice session, we will discuss about the important questions after our course completion. Means after discussing whole syllabus, we will have a practice session. Important question, key questions to reinforce module learning. So whatever we learn, students, whatever we learn here in this session, we will do a practice. MCQ practice sessions will be there. Then comprehensive notes, we will provide you a notes, like detailed notes in for in-depth understanding. Then we will you can take a full length mock test also. After completing all these, taking sessions, going through the practice session, going through the revision notes, you can take a full length test and you can check your knowledge here. Complete mock test for exam preparations here. So you can take that test also, students. So this is how you will prepare your IBPS, okay, like RRB PO mains exam, okay, PO and clerk mains exam here. So students, here in computer, what kind of questions you will get? In computer, always you will get a direct question. So whatever topics we discussed in the beginning of this session, from those topics you will get a direct question. It's not like other subject. It's not like other subjects. You will have some you need to go through every aspects, different angles you have to choose in reasoning and cons and all those things. Here in computer knowledge, you will get a direct question from the topic. What are the input devices? What are the keyboard shortcuts? What is the, you can say, number system? In that whatever topics we have, subtopics, generation of the computer, types of the computer, storage devices, memories, direct questions you are going to get here. I already have shown you here from keyboards, like keyboard shortcuts, cyber security, different questions that we discussed here. Okay, so like those questions that we discussed here, those are the direct questions that you are getting in a computer awareness. So students, that's all about the today's session. I hope there is a no doubt here. Is there any doubt? So students, thank you for joining this session. In our upcoming session, we will start our preparation for the computer knowledge for your mains, IBPS PO and you can say clerk mains exam here. So in our upcoming sessions, we will start with the all the syllabus that what we discussed in today's session, students. So guys, thank you for joining this session. And if you are getting any doubts, you can tag me in a community group. For those students who are going through the recorded, they can tag me in a community group. Here we discussed how will be our journey. How will be our journey for a mains here. Okay, you will have notes, you will have practice session, you will have sessions on to this one, and at the end you can go and take your full length mock test also. Okay. Okay, what about other students? Is there any doubt? You can use the chat box here if you have any doubt. Otherwise, we can wrap up this session here. So students, thank you for joining this session once again. And if you don't have any doubt here, give me your feedback and give me your students here a 5-star rating, because it will increase my confidence that whatever we discussed in this session, you guys don't have any doubt here. Okay, so in our upcoming session also, we will have a detailed discussion related to the whatever topics we have in our course here. So students, I hope that clears here. Okay, no doubt. So that's all for today's session, students. See you in our upcoming sessions. Take care. Thank you.